Welcome back to the channel. Today we are moving beyond basic coding and entering the advanced world of deep learning and facial recognition. We see this technology in smart security and high-tech cameras every day, but today we are going to build it ourselves using our AI and IoT kit. We'll show you how to train our system to recognize police officers, homeowners, and intruders, triggering a real-time reaction on our hardware for each. Let's get started. Before we code, we need to teach our AI. We add the Teachable Machine extension in mBlock 5. Here, we have created 3 specific categories for our security system. Police officer, for people who protect us. Homeowners, who will deploy this gadget in their home for safety. Thief or criminals, for unknown intruders. Now, let's look at the first part of our code, which runs on the Sprite. We use a forever loop to constantly check the camera feed. If the recognition result is police officer, the system will broadcast safe. If it recognizes homeowner, it will broadcast welcome. And likewise, if it recognizes thief, it will broadcast danger. This Sprite acts as the brain, sending out digital signals based on the faces it recognizes. Next, we move to the device code to tell our hardware how to react to those signals. When the device receives the safe signal, we've programmed all LEDs to light up in green, conveying no danger. If it receives the welcome signal, we use the block all LEDs light up blue to greet the homeowner. And of course, if the system detects an intruder, it will flash bright red light to alert the homeowner and prevent the robbery. We've also added a wait 1 second and light off all LEDs blocks to reset the device for the next scan. The training is done and the code is uploaded. Let's see our facial recognition system in action. First, let's try this photo. As soon as the AI identifies the face as a police officer, our kit instantly displays green color. It means our software communicates with our hardware in real time. Next, let's scan the homeowner. The moment the system recognizes the owner, the LEDs change to blue and the system signals welcome. This shows how we can use AI to create a personalized smart entry system for our homes. Now let's see what happens when the third category person is identified. When I show the image of thief, the LEDs immediately turn red. This danger signal confirms that the AI has detected a change in the data. It's amazing to see how accurately the hardware responds to the data it's receiving in real time. This is the power of artificial intelligence and our IoT kit. Using the AI and IoT kit makes building advanced deep learning projects simple and fun. Now think of a different situation where you may want to use this technology in your daily life. Tell us about it in the comments and we will help you do it yourself. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our AI and IoT courses at Maker's Place. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos